How to archive a chat in Line. In this video, I'll show you how to archive a chat in the Line app to keep your chats organized without deleting them. First, open the Line app on your phone and go to the Chats tab. Now find the chat you want to archive by scrolling or using the search bar right here. Okay, in order to archive your chat, just long press on the chat. You will see archive right here if it is available, but it's not showing right here, so the next thing you can do is just hide it. Long press on it and tap on hide, and a confirmation will pop up. Simply tap on hide. The chat will be moved to your hidden chat and won't appear in your main chat list. And that's it. That's how easy it is to archive and hide the chats in Line. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.